What's up, people? We are back again. I'm so happy. You know why? Because many of you have made amazing profits. Yeah, you're back. It's full of profit, and most of you cash out profit. I did cash out profit as well. So I'm happy to see that Bitcoin went right up to I think about $36,000 or $35,000 per Bitcoin. Now, what is actually going on in the market? Why is Bitcoin pumping? Why is the entire market pumping? Is it because of the BlackRock ETF, which might be passed next month, as everyone is speculating, or maybe something else is going to happen or is happening in the market? But of course, we have seen this over and over and over again in the past, and now it's still happening. And when you see things like this happening, guys, you have to understand one thing, that what goes up must come down. And there's no way you are going to lose if, say, you pay yourself. Paying yourself is the only way you can make profit or you can be successful in this game. So no matter what happens, make sure you pay yourself. Pay yourself as soon as possible. Oh, you are welcome back again, yeah? I think this is freezing. I don't know why my laptop is freezing. I think is it because I'm recording this? Let me stop recording this. So I think it might balance a little bit. Okay, now I think it's a little bit better. It's kind of like lagging, something like that. I speak and I cannot really it's as if when I speak I hear myself later on. Yeah, but anyway, I think it's getting back to normal because I was recording, but now I stopped recording. All right, guys. Today the title is my strategy, the best strategy. Like, yeah, this is the best strategy that you can 100x, 100x your investment with this strategy, guys. I've been around the block for some time now in this industry. I've seen, all kind of pumps. Yeah, pumps, meme coins, or altcoins, Bitcoin. I saw Bitcoin went right up to $68,000 or $60,000. By then, I didn't know anything about crypto. In fact, I knew about crypto, but what I mean by I didn't know anything. It means I didn't understand fully, like, my knowledge now and my knowledge back then. It was as if I was in the dark. But I had money to invest, a lot of it. I invested and I lost all of it. All of it, yeah. And now, I've been, getting back to, recovering most of my losses, And what I've learned so far is that at times you might be excited in like that you have known something or you have come across something that will make you money, that will take you out, like take you to where you want to be in the future. But you forget to understand that you cannot just get there in the future if, say, you want it to happen so fast, like quick, right? You have to understand that everything have to go gradually. There's no way you come here in this space and say you want to make money fast. Now, crypto will humble you. It will humble you, because you're gonna lose money, not because the market or crypto is bad or crypto is a scam. No, because you don't know what you're doing. I've come here over and over again to talk to you guys that you need to pay attention to my content. My content might not have so much views now because of my community, because you guys don't watch my content, you don't like it, you don't promote it, you don't share it. You might not get it, but the right person, when they come across, they're going to share it to their community and get more attraction, and people are going to learn from it. Or maybe when you must have lost a lot of money, then you'll see that this content is valuable to you, right? Because I think most of you are still babies. You are still crypto babies, and I'm still a baby also. I learn, but you guys are like you are toddler, like crypto toddler. right? Most of you, because you still want to do the same thing, and you are of the mindset that the amount of money you put in right now, let's say you put in $100, it's gonna make you a millionaire. Maybe you bought Dogecoin or maybe Dogecoin or Floki Inu, and someone told you that this hundred dollars can make you $100,000. Maybe you come across Twitter and someone is saying, I turned this amount of money into this amount of money. Guys, all this, you might be lucky, like doing the bull market to buy certain coins, and it would have made you a lot of money, but you would have lose everything back to the market because of these same mistakes that people make every now and then. And I'm going to show you guys on the chart of Bitcoin. Like before I show you guys this, on the chart of Bitcoin, I want you to understand this also. No matter what you're doing, if say Bitcoin is a part of your plan, then you're wasting your time in crypto. If so you're buying crypto and Bitcoin is not in the center of your investment plan, then you are wasting your time. Have you ever bothered to ask yourself that why is Bitcoin making headlines almost every now and then? Big institutions, when they come on board, they want Bitcoin. Countries, billionaires, they want Bitcoin. Have you ever asked yourself that why are people scrambling over Bitcoin? It's because Bitcoin have proven to be a real asset, to be that hedge against inflation. The maths behind Bitcoin is sustainable. Math is clear. 1 + 1 is 2. That's what Bitcoin is. Bitcoin was designed to perform or to replace fiat. Let me put it that way. And now Bitcoin is looked upon as a digital gold, meaning no matter what you do, you have to accumulate this asset, because in the future, 1 Bitcoin might become $1 million. you think like now you're looking at yourself now and you're like, I don't know how long Bitcoin would take to get to $1 million. I don't know, but guys, trust me, there's so much years ahead. The next 5 years, the next 10 years, or maybe you don't have 10 more years to live. But imagine that Bitcoin is able to get to $1 million per Bitcoin, and you are holding $100 worth Bitcoin right now, right? And you play the game that I'm gonna teach you right now. Trust me. Maybe by then you must have gotten at least 2 Bitcoin. Now, which game am I talking about? This is a game that I've been helping some people out there within my community, or those who they don't just want to be like known, but they are behind the scenes. I have helped them to understand the game, how to play the game. The game is either you are in USDT or you are in Bitcoin. But the first plan A or game A is to be in Bitcoin most of the time. And USDT, if say you really love the fiat or the dollars. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna go to the chart to demonstrate most of this, because we just have a pump, and this is the right time for me to actually explain to you guys this, so you can understand fully what I'm saying here. Now, guys, let's assume right now you come into cryptocurrency and you want to buy an asset. Like you want to buy this. Let's say someone introduced you to Baby Dogecoin. Like you got into crypto through Baby Dogecoin or Dogecoin, and in the course of you getting into crypto, you came to understand the fundamental or the foundation of cryptocurrency, which is Bitcoin, to an extent Ethereum. You come to understand that Bitcoin is the alpha, and Bitcoin moves the market. Bitcoin is the asset that have most of the liquidity in the market. And now you are in the crypto space, right? You bought Baby Dogecoin. Let's say, or the Shiba Inu or Floki Inu or any other meme coin or any other coin. Let's say you bought XRP. And suddenly you realize that Bitcoin is the king here, the main player. What will you do? Are you going to start buying that main player and wait for it to pump, and then you follow the game to buy the other altcoins that will react to the main player. Of course, if you don't do that, then you don't know what you're doing. You don't know. Like, again, some people might be bragging that they have so much, but they don't have Bitcoin, they have other cryptocurrencies. They are lying to you. Most people right now who understand crypto, most of the assets are in Bitcoin. Now, this is what you do. If say you have bought, or if say you bought Ethereum before, or Dogecoin before, or maybe Dogecoin before, let's say for $100, go and sell, get out $70 and put into Bitcoin. I'm gonna tell you why. Because now we are getting into this whole big strategy that I use to invest or to trade cryptocurrency. Now, Bitcoin is that asset, the main player here, and you want to accumulate Bitcoin, more Bitcoin. So the best thing you have to do is, or the safe thing, your safest, or this now, how should I? Your safe bet, yeah, the safe thing or the safest thing to do is for you to actually have most of your asset in Bitcoin. That means, or like most of your money, I say most of your dollar in Bitcoin. So if say you have $100, that's all you have. Buy Bitcoin for $70. Then the rest, or you can buy Bitcoin. Let me just be fair enough. Buy Bitcoin for $60. Let me just say $60. Then you're gonna be left with $40. Then you can buy, let's say, 2 other altcoins that go alongside Bitcoin. In this case, I'm gonna choose either Chepley, CHP Arrow, like Chepley, CHP Arrow, CSP Arrow, Casper, Solana, or maybe you go to Audi. Now, the reason why I chose these coins is because these coins move alongside Bitcoin. So with you, it might be other coin, right? You have to go to the market to research which coin move alongside Bitcoin, because the coin that move alongside Bitcoin will definitely outperform Bitcoin long term. And what I mean by outperforming, it means when Bitcoin will move 10%, that coin will move about 30%. So this is how you play the game. Now you are in Bitcoin 70, like you 70, let's say $60, and let's say you have $20 in Audi and $20 in Solana. Solana will pump, like in this case. Let's go to Solana, so we can get. Okay, now this is Bitcoin. Let me just go to Bitcoin first. So this is a chart of Bitcoin. Bitcoin has pumped, right up to this area. This is the daily time frame. Let me just go to the 4 hours time frame. So we can see this. Okay, look at this pump here. We do know that what goes up must come down, right? Bitcoin has pumped. You have $70 into Bitcoin, and Bitcoin pumped like this, right? Then we go to Solana. Look at Solana. Solana also pumped the same. Like the should I say the length or the measurement is almost the same, but the difference is how much you can make from this move. This is 51% that Solana has moved. Looking at this level, the reason why Solana is showing 51% is because of low liquidity. This coin have low liquidity. But if you go to Bitcoin, right, and we pull the same data, like the same, so I can show you guys, like I want to show you guys this magic, so you understand what I want to do here. You see, Bitcoin is showing 34%, right? So let's just say now you have that amount in Solana and that amount in Bitcoin. What you are going to do is you're going to sell half of your Bitcoin, half of your Bitcoin. That means you're going to be let's say that $70 must have given you some profit. You're going to sell half of your Bitcoin. Then you sell all of your Solana and get it into USDT. Or you get it, you put it into Bitcoin, then you sell half of the Bitcoin into USDT. Right? You do the same with any other coin that you are holding. Now, the reason why you're going to have half of of that in Bitcoin and half in USDT is because Bitcoin can make a move up to the upside and you're going to still be in Bitcoin. Or Bitcoin can dump, let's say 10%. But you know that if Bitcoin is dumping 10%, you are going to, Solana is going to dump about, let's say, 30%. And you can now take that amount, 10% of that amount that you sold, like of the half Bitcoin that you sold into USDT, you're going to take 10% or 20% to buy Solana. As Solana keep going down, you keep buying until Solana gets until it must have retraced to a level where price will start going up. And when price start going up, Solana will, like, you're gonna make more in terms of dollar value, and you do the same, and the same with Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is gonna give you the catalyst, like the go ahead to say, okay, now it's time to take out profits, right? And you're gonna take out profit. So in this case now, you have gotten more Bitcoin, you have gotten more gold, more should I say liquid gold. Is it liquid gold? Bitcoin is like no, digital gold, not liquid gold, digital gold. Guys, like, most people won't tell you what I'm telling you. Like, what I'm telling you is I'm giving you for free. They won't tell you. When you don't have enough money, like if say you're not BlackRock, if you're not like a thing, you're not Elon Musk, don't go and play the billionaire game. They don't care if they can buy Bitcoin for 1 billion, 1 million. They have so much money, they don't care. They put it on their balance sheet. They have so much money, but you don't have money like them. Don't go and say, don't go and be like you want to hold. No. You are here to make more Bitcoin, because Bitcoin can get to 1 million per Bitcoin. So your goal is to accumulate this asset that might get to 1 million in the future. Now, it's not only about you, your kids. You can pass Bitcoin over to your kids. Let's say, for example, if say you are a smart investor, you do this, you compound this enough Bitcoin. Let's say something happens to you, you're not here anymore. Your kids can inherit this. So don't make this investment thing only about you, like what you can do now. Look at your future. Look at your future. Look at what might happen the next 10 years. You have to think in the future. Don't think only now. Now you are building, and the future will tell you or give you what the future always does. Imagine that your father was in real estate when your father bought a lot of land or a lot of buildings when you were born, and your father passed away. You know that right now that you would have been sitting on like huge wealth. Yeah, that's how those guys up there, that's how they make money. They buy assets. Asset is how you protect your wealth. It's how you make wealth. It's how you transfer wealth to someone else out there. You can start a business right now, and the business, when you die, will go away. Maybe your family will not be able to manage a business, but your asset, they can sell your asset and get cash to do something else that they love. But at least you must have left something for them or to them. Right? So let's get back to what I was trying to say to you. Now, let's go back to the chart. So this is Bitcoin. By the way, if you are still holding Bitcoin, sell it. I want to tell you where to buy it. Let me give you another way I go about, like how I go about, with this strategy. So when I see a pump like this, and I see that Bitcoin has started retracing, I go to my TradingView. I put this Fibonacci retracement tool. I try to take it from where the pump, like this low to this high. This is free. You can get all this from TradingView. Now I want to know where price is going to. If say this is a retracement, this is where I'm gonna wait for price to come, able to buy. Yeah. So imagine that I know I play this game over and over again. Even if Bitcoin keep going up to the upside, I know I still have part of my investment in Bitcoin. Like Bitcoin is gonna always have some. Like I'm always gonna be having Bitcoin. That's what I'm trying to say to you guys. But I'm gonna still have USDT to buy Bitcoin back when it falls, and also buy altcoins when it falls, because altcoins will always fall drastically. Let's say, for example, you are able, like Solana is gonna retrace back. It has moved about 51%. Let's say it's gonna retrace back to like, let's say it's gonna fall 20%. That's an opportunity for you to buy back, and you can make instantly like 5% or 10%, like instantly. And you can also sell. You can place a sell order at a 1x leverage. You don't, like, guys, there's so much you can do. You can now, like, I wish I knew this. I wish I knew this back then. But well, I'm glad I know it now, because I'm not gonna make the same mistake, and I don't want you guys to do the same thing. That's why I am here to tell you guys that with $100 you can build something over the years. You can make $5, let's say $15 every week, because every week there's movement in the market. If so, you understand, you can make at least $10 or $5 to $15 every week. Compound that for 1 year, for 2 years, 3 years. You do the same thing. Tell me if, say, your capital won't increase. Because, guys, what I understand is this: when you are able to take $100 and you make 10% profit, the next 10% profit is going to be different. The next is going to be different in terms of the amount, because the more money you have, the more in percentage you receive when you make it. And also, you're going to be focusing on making dollars, to buy, or euros to buy Bitcoin. And you keep playing the same game every month. When you work and you make salary, you get paid, you put it into Bitcoin, because that's where you should be putting your money into, right? This game alone can help you build wealth from scratch. This is what I'm doing, guys. I can see you, Loreke. What would be price of Ethereum this week? Loreke, let's just see Ethereum quickly. Let me just go to the Ethereum quickly and see. Ethereum, actually, I there's one guy I'm working with closely. I want to take right now. He's someone that I really care about, and I want him to be successful in this space. I'm working with him closely. We have. Right now, I think right now he's in about 40% profit, because I took, I've made him up over $300. I think about $250 or $300 profit from $500. So he had $500 investment, and we are getting towards, I think, $300, something like that, profit. And I want to, keep growing, helping him to grow his account until he can now I'm able to talk. Until he can turn $500 into $5,000. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. So let's look at Solana right now. Solana. Sorry, not Solana. It's like I'm getting tired. It's late at night already. So let's go to Ethereum and see the Ethereum price for this week. Actually, let me go to the daily time frame and see what Ethereum can play. I mentioned in my group, or I think it is in my group, or to that guy that I'm working with, that you should sell Ethereum at 1900. Yeah, I think we might see Ethereum at 1900. It's almost there. It almost went to that price, because when let's pull this for the virtual retracement. Let's pull it from the top to the bottom, so I can see. So I can see, someone text me. So I can see where. Okay, I think we have already seen Ethereum get to that level. Ethereum has got there. It has gotten to that level. This area here. Yeah, at the price I've got to that area. So this is the area where Ethereum should, like, if you see Ethereum go above this zone here, this is around the It's 1800. Yeah, 1800, something like that. So this is a zone where Ethereum the fall started, like the drop started. Now price have recovered to that area, and we have seen a retracement. So let's just assume that this is a retracement. So let's see where Ethereum can retrace to before we can see let's say the next move. Let's see where Ethereum might retrace to. Let's take it from down here to the top to this area here. So Ethereum might get back to this price point, let's say 1,600 per Ethereum before it goes back, or Ethereum can just bounce back at 1,700. Yeah, 700. So pay attention to that. So it can do like this, it can do like this, Ethereum can do like this, because I think we're gonna have the ETF. So I think we might see Ethereum go right up to $2,000. So it can do like this, bounce, then go back to I think about $2,000. So, but my advice to you guys, or anyone who is gonna be holding Ethereum, is to sell Ethereum at 1,900 or put a limit sell order at $2,000 per Ethereum. Then you can wait for a retracement back here, because when Ethereum, if say we're gonna see some movement here, Ethereum is gonna go like this up, then come back, retest this zone, then go again. That's when you want to buy back again. So that's what I think might happen with Ethereum. But I think, guys, that's it for today. I don't want to make this video to be so long. I came here because I want to like explain to you guys how you can actually build this, like be successful in building with 100x in your portfolio. Yeah, that's what I wanted you guys to learn today, and I want to believe someone out there has learned something, or is going to learn something in the future from this content, and they're going to apply it and make massive profit. And if say you want to, like, you want someone to work with you one-on-one to help you along the way, your investment journey, reach out to me. There are links below this video where you can connect with me. Be part of my community as well. I have a group on Telegram. You can join that group. I share my content there every now and then. You can be updated, or you can stay updated. Well, you can stay up to date. Just stay updated. You can stay up to date with my content. Yeah, yeah, that's the right way to say, or the right way to say, yeah. Guys, I feel like I'm so tired and I'm not able to speak right now. I have to go. So all the best to you. Tomorrow I'm gonna be live. I think maybe in the afternoon I'm gonna be live. I think, yeah, let's say I'm gonna share with you guys when I'm gonna be live tomorrow. I think I'm gonna be live twice or maybe once, but in the afternoon I'll be live, and in the evening again I'm gonna be trying to do this every now and then so I can keep you guys updated. And as I mentioned, if say you want to be part of my community, the links are found below this video. If say you want someone to help you one-on-one, I can also help you one-on-one to make sure you learn you are disciplined. I'm gonna help you with that. And if you say you haven't yet subscribed and you are still watching this video, you haven't yet like as well, you're still watching this video, then do so. When you do, you're gonna help this content reach out to more people. Bye bye. Cheers. Ciao. Ciao.